Nucleic acid medicines are an emerging new class of therapeutics for treating unmet medical needs. They are capable of targeting a disease at the genetic level by preventing the expression of disease-causing proteins. These nucleic acid medicines are known as aptamers, antisense oligonucleotides, ribozyme nucleic acids, RNA interference, and antigene nucleic acids, depending on their target site and inhibition mechanisms. TCI offers a collection of useful synthetic reagents for manufacturing nucleic acid medicines and oligonucleotides. That includes two prime-substituted nucleosides, Phosphoramiditation Reagent and Nucleoside Phosphoramidetes. However, naked oligonucleotides have a problem with their nuclease sensitivity, so the chemical modification to enhance nuclease resistance is required. TCI also provides sulfur-transfer reagents for the synthesis of oligonucleotide phosphorothioates with nuclease resistance. The nucleic acid medicine market is expected to expand in the near future. TCI provides the best possible products to our customers for the synthetic studies of nucleic acid medicines. Please contact TCIchemicals for more information.